Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to configure your proxy host name on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, and now click proxy, and here as you see you will find this proxy host. Just click on it and here enter your host name, and that's it. Click OK, and that's how to configure your proxy host name, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.